Platinum Reserve is the top of the lineup, with few compromises in luxury, style, and useful features. The Platinum Reserve Crew Cab comes standard with a 400 horsepower V8 engine and is available with four-wheel drive. Titan Platinum Reserve comes in the Crew Cab configuration. There are 5 color choices, 2 of which are premium options. Platinum Reserve is available in both monotone or two-tone color styling. Platinum Reserve makes its presence felt with exclusive dark 20-inch alloy wheels, along with stylish satin chrome accents and chrome running boards for a premium look. The premium interior has leather-appointed seating with exclusive insignia and plenty of exclusive Platinum Reserve style to go around. It has a premium open-pore wood trim for a luxurious feel. Comfort is easy to find thanks to heated and cooled front seats. The steering wheel is heated and leather-wrapped, and even heated seats for rear passengers. Platinum Reserve has every available Titan driver assist feature, plus a trailer brake controller and a remote trailer light check for added convenience. For incredible views and fresh air on demand, you can add the moonroof package. The monotone paint package offers a more exclusive, custom look.